On this slide, you're going to be creating your own monster. So you will be using slides 7 through 14 to do this. On slide 15, it gives you some shortcuts on how you can copy and paste using the keys on your keyboard. And there's some other shortcuts here for you as well. So going back to slide 7, this is where you're going to create your monster. The next slide, you choose the body. I like this one, so I'm going to either right click and then push copy, or I can do Control C. You go to slide 7 and you paste. You want to move it probably in the center. Notice that this red line lets me know that it is directly in the center vertically or up and down. And then if I bring it down, I get one across. That lets me know it is directly in the middle of my page. So I'm going to bring it up a little bit. Slide 9, you can copy. Go back over to your monster to paste. You don't want to click directly on the monster. You want to click maybe off to the side. And these little squares let you adjust or change the size of your image. And you don't have to go recopy it. You can make another one just by pasting. I'm going to make that. Might be a little bit shorter, but that's okay. Let's see. Go back for its feet. Again, we're going to do it off to the side. There's one foot. And the other foot. I could make these smaller, but I don't want to. Next, we need to choose some eyes. I like these. So you're going to copy over here, paste your eyes off to the side. Wherever they pop up, you're just going to move them. Next, we have the arms. Now for this one, you can click until you see this cross, drag it. That way you can select both at the same time. And then right click. Where you go? Copy. And paste. And once you click out of that, you can just move one at a time. Next, we are going to get the mouth. I like this one, so I'm going to copy this one. And paste. Ooh, scary. Then you have some extra arms that you can add and a speech bubble. So I'm going to copy this speech bubble. And once you paste, you're going to need to add a text box. So here, I know you can't see it because my screen is only here, but at the top of your screen you have a T inside of a box. That is your text box. You click, drag, and then you can type whatever you want. Feed me. Okay, so this is how you create your own monster. Can't wait to see yours.